will talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Webull app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on menu down here, you just click on it. So when you just click here on menu here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above settings, click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on options list settings here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on deliverables here, and here can you select your deliverables here in this list if you want to disable standard or enable it, or here no standard here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.